Alright, so market recap and trade recap from today, January 14th. Bro, recently, honestly, it's been really brutal. I feel like I'm definitely stuck kind of in a break-even phase right now and taking a lot of unnecessary losses, and it simply is because of my psych. Like, when I get on the charts and I'm looking for trades, like, my heart starts pounding. Like, I feel so anxious, like, and it's genuinely causing so many issues. So, today would have been a break-even day, or actually no, it would have been it would have been a losing day, but I got break-even on this trade here. So I took this trade here off of just taking out this low, and then tapping this wick CE, and then this bullish candle. So I was like, all right, bet I'm gonna along that. Got break even, and then I accidentally entered again with 3 minis right here. I was like, holy shit. So I had to close immediately, and thankfully I got lucky. I only lost like $200. But then I told myself I would take one final trade, which I did, which was here, over here. Let me go to replay mode. Basically 10 open, manipulated down into this 4-hour wick with, there's a 4-hour wick here, with EL, right? I mean, the wick theory said it was printed, and then we inversed a 5-minute, and so I was like, and we give SMT at the low, so I was like, and like we're obviously like, within a discount, like, and I was kind of looking at, price, in my opinion, was like accumulation, markdown. Actually, like if you look at, it looks like a pretty clear like market maker, like sell side into, and then I wanted to see a market maker buy model you made, but like look at accumulation. Sorry. We accumulate, markdown, accumulate, markdown, accumulate, manipulate down, right? And I'm like, oh my, like high time frame PD array, SMT, 5-minute inversion. I was like, surely we are, wanting longs now, right? So, and this was an A plus trade, and I'm glad I took it out. I only risked like $100 on the trade. Like I literally went 2 micros, because I accidentally had already taken the loss on the other trade, and I basically took the 5-minute inverse, and there was a 15-minute order block CE. So I basically took the order block CE that aligned with the start of the inverse and like OTE of this gap right there, yeah. So that was, so I'll just actually do this. So that, now we're at a 25-point stop, targeting here. And then if we just replay, you can just see that I got fucked pretty much. Like I got fucked, and we just continued lower. So that's just kind of a bias, was just kind of wrong kind of deal, which I'm okay with. I'm completely okay. The only thing I'm upset about is obviously taking that accidental trade, but this was an A plus setup in my opinion, and our bias, our draw on liquidity just kind of turned out to unfortunately be wrong. But I mean, but if we go on a lower time frame, like my levels ran, like this level printed 100 points, like, and maybe I am targeting a little too much, and maybe I'm getting a little too greedy, but and I mean this level too, both levels gave like 100 points, like clearly what you're doing in your levels work. You just kind of, today was just kind of just a bias was wrong. Draw was wrong kind of day. But yeah, so kind of sucks, but I'm okay with it. I thought the trade itself was really good, and so honestly, I'm completely okay with the loss. And let me actually check how So it was okay. It was a 288 loss. God, my stats are so bad. 288 loss rate, but just like, bro, like I just genuinely have gotta get better. I mean, honestly, but like today was a good setup. Like it was a good setup. I don't really know it, but yeah. That is that. Um, but yeah, that's basically it for today. In my opinion, now we just created a 4-hour order block. Do we have SMT? We don't, I don't think. Anything? No. But we tapped. Tap this. We have this 2.5 from this deviation. So this could potentially be low of the week, to be honest. In my opinion, I do think it's a pretty clear, like, accumulation markdown, accumulation markdown, accumulation markdown. Like, pretty clear, like, I want longs. Like, 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 I mean, it all depends. It's all relative, but, you just check out, like, all of this liquidity, all of these lows, here. So, could definitely potentially see longs tomorrow. But yeah. Like here we have a CISD order block. 1 hour rejection block created off the order block. This and then this took out that high, so this could be a potential long setup for me personally. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what price gives us and just react. But yeah, that's about it for today's recap.